What if I told you that in the next 12 minutes, you could discover the best AI teachers in the world, completely free, who can take you from I know nothing about AI to I can actually build and use AI? Right now, AI is not the future. It is the present. Those who learn AI today will design tomorrow. Those who ignore it may struggle to keep up. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a genius, you don't need a fancy degree, and you don't even need paid courses. You just need the right teachers and the right learning method. In this video, I'll reveal the top 10 AI YouTube channels for beginners, what makes each teacher special, how they explain complex topics simply, and most importantly, how you should follow their tutorials step by step to actually learn, not just watch. Our first channel is Andrew Ng from DeepLearning.AI. Many people think he is too advanced, but his beginner explanations are actually very simple and logical. Andrew teaches like a calm mentor. He doesn't confuse you with heavy math. Instead, he explains AI like a story, step by step. How to learn from Andrew Ng. Start with what is AI and machine learning basics. Watch slowly, don't rush. After each video, explain the concept in your own words. Pair YouTube videos with simple practice like using ChatGPT properly, trying basic AI tools. If you want a strong foundation in AI, Andrew Ng is your best starting teacher. Channel 2, SimpliLearn, which is perfect for beginners who feel scared of AI or think that AI is only for engineers and programmers. What makes SimpliLearn special is their teaching style. Their instructors don't just lecture, they explain, demonstrate, and simplify. They use clear visuals, real-life comparisons, and step-by-step breakdowns instead of heavy technical jargon. Their videos feel more like guided learning rather than boring classroom lessons. You don't feel lost, you feel supported. Another great thing about SimpliLearn is that they structure their content like a proper learning path. How to learn from SimpliLearn, step by step. Start by watching their AI for Beginners playlist from the first video to the last. Don't skip lessons, even if they feel easy. This builds your foundation. Keep a small notebook or digital notes. After each video, write 3 key things you learned in your own words. This helps you remember better. Don't just watch, practice. Try small, fun, real-world tasks like creating images using an AI image generator, asking AI to explain a topic in simple language. If you don't understand something, re-watch that part or search for it in SimpliLearn's other videos. They often cover the same idea from different angles. If you want a smooth, stress-free, and confidence-building introduction to AI, SimpliLearn is your guide. Channel 3, Krish Naik, practical and clear. Third is Krish Naik, one of the best practical AI teachers on YouTube. He teaches in a calm, step-by-step way. He never makes learners feel overwhelmed. Instead, he patiently builds each idea like a strong foundation, layer by layer, so nothing feels rushed or confusing. His explanations feel like a friendly mentor guiding you, rather than a strict instructor testing you. You can clearly see that he genuinely wants beginners to succeed. How to learn from Krish Naik. Start with his Machine Learning for Beginners playlist. Follow along with Python in Google Colab while watching. Don't just watch passively. Try mini projects like predicting exam scores, classifying emails as spam or not. If you want to actually build AI projects, Krish Naik is your mentor. Channel 4, Tech with Tim, fun and easy coding. Fourth is Tech with Tim, and this channel is amazing for young learners. Tim explains coding and AI in a fun and simple way, almost like a friend teaching you. His energy keeps you engaged, his examples feel relatable, and he often shows real coding instead of just theory. You don't feel like you are studying, you feel like you are learning by experimenting. That makes the whole process much more enjoyable and less stressful. How to Learn from Tech with Tim. Watch his Python basics first, then move to AI-related videos. Practice by writing small programs yourself. If you think coding is boring, Tech with Tim will change your mind. Channel 5, IBM Technology, which explains AI concepts in very simple and visual ways. Their videos are short, clear, and beginner-friendly. They use clean animations, simple diagrams, and real-world comparisons that make complex ideas feel natural and easy to grasp. The pace of their videos is comfortable, not too fast, not too slow, which helps beginners absorb information without pressure. Their content is also very professional and well-structured, giving learners a clear mental picture of how AI actually works. Most importantly, they focus more on understanding than memorization, which builds real confidence in beginners. How to Learn from IBM. Watch videos like What is AI and What is Machine Learning? Write down examples from daily life. Try using AI tools like ChatGPT or image generators. If you want crystal clear explanations, IBM makes AI easy. It is really amazing. Channel 6, CodeWithHarry, easy AI tools and beginner-friendly. Sixth is CodeWithHarry, a channel that makes AI and tech topics super easy to understand for beginners. Unlike channels that dive straight into complicated coding, CodeWithHarry often explains AI concepts, tools, and practical applications in simple language with real-life examples. Many videos focus on using AI tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and other AI platforms without requiring you to know advanced programming. His teaching style is friendly, clear, and step-by-step, so you can follow along at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed. How to learn from CodeWithHarry? Start with his AI Basics or Beginner Tool playlists. Avoid the coding-heavy series for now. Watch one video at a time and take short notes of the main ideas. Apply the tool immediately after watching. For example, generate text, images, or summaries with AI. Repeat and experiment with small variations to build confidence and skill. Hook. If you want beginner-friendly AI learning without drowning in code, CodeWithHarry makes it fun, simple, and practical. Channel 7, Matt Wolfe, Practical AI Tools for Beginners. Seventh on our beginner-friendly list is Matt Wolfe, a YouTube channel dedicated to showing you how actual AI tools work in real life, not theory or complicated programming. Matt focuses on the latest AI tools you can use today, from everyday automation to content creation, and he explains them in clear, simple steps that don't require any prior coding knowledge. Many of his videos are like guided tours. He opens a tool, shows you how it works, and walks you through how you can use it too, making AI feel practical and exciting instead of intimidating. For example, you'll find tutorials like AI tools you'll use every day that introduce tools for writing, automation, productivity, and creative tasks, all explained with clear visuals and real demonstrations. These kinds of videos help beginners actually use AI in their lives, whether it's for writing essays, generating ideas, or simplifying work tasks, without having to learn complicated mathematics or code. How to learn from Matt Wolfe. Start with beginner videos on AI tools like how to use ChatGPT for everyday tasks, or how to automate simple workflows. Watch and pause. After each step, try the tool yourself on your own device. If you want to stop just watching AI and start using it in real life, Matt Wolfe makes AI tools feel fun, easy, and instantly useful for beginners. Channel 8, Tina Huang, a fantastic channel for beginners who want to use AI in real life without getting lost in code. Tina focuses on AI tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and productivity apps, showing step-by-step how you can apply them to solve everyday problems. Her teaching style is friendly, clear, and practical. She explains each tool as if she's guiding a friend through it. What makes Tina special is that she emphasizes understanding and experimenting, not memorizing or coding, so beginners can feel confident and empowered. Her videos often include real-life examples, mini tutorials, and challenges that help you try AI immediately and see results quickly. How to learn from Tina Huang? Start with her AI tool walkthroughs like ChatGPT for writing or automation tools for daily tasks. Pause and practice what she demonstrates in real time. Take short notes or screenshots to remember steps. Experiment by slightly changing inputs or prompts to see how AI reacts. This builds hands-on understanding. If you want to learn AI that you can actually use today, Tina Huang makes it simple, practical, and fun. No stress, just results.
Ninth is Apna College, one of the most subscribed education channels on YouTube with millions of learners following it for practical tech knowledge and career guidance. This channel is popular because it explains complex topics in simple language, making them easier to understand for beginners. While much of their content focuses on computer science fundamentals like web development, Java, and placement preparation, they also have AI and machine learning introduction videos like AI Complete One-Shot Course for Beginners, which are aimed at learners who want to understand the basics without going too deep into heavy coding. What makes Apna College useful for beginners is its clear teaching style and structured playlists. So even if you have never coded before, you can start with basics and gradually move towards more advanced topics. Many students use the channel to build confidence with fundamentals before diving into specialized AI channels. How to learn from Apna College? Start with the AI beginner level videos like What is AI and intro courses on the channel. Take notes after each lesson to reinforce your understanding. Use their broader tech content to build a strong foundation in logic and tech thinking that supports deeper AI learning later. If you want a friendly, big-picture introduction to tech and some approachable AI basics that don't overwhelm, Apna College is a solid place to start, especially for beginners.
10th is Google Cloud Tech, one of the most trusted and beginner-friendly sources for learning AI. This channel explains AI in a simple, visual, and structured way, using animations, real-world examples, and clear demonstrations instead of heavy technical jargon. Their content focuses on how AI works in everyday life, such as Google Photos, Search, Translate, and AI assistants, making learning relatable and easy to understand. What makes this channel powerful for beginners is its clarity, professionalism, and step-by-step explanations that build confidence without confusion. How to learn from Google Cloud Tech. Start with videos like What is AI and How Machine Learning Works. Watch slowly and pause when needed to absorb key ideas. Relate each concept to real-life examples you already use. Rewatch short sections to strengthen understanding. If you want to learn AI the right way, clearly, visually, and practically, Google Cloud Tech is your perfect guide.
Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember this: AI is not just the future, it is your future. The 10 channels we discussed are doing an incredible job by providing high-quality, free, simple, and step-by-step AI education for beginners around the world. Their links are in the description. Explore them one by one, not in a rush, but with focus and curiosity. Don't just watch, practice. Pause, follow along, try the tools, make mistakes, and learn from them. While watching, keep a notebook, write down key tips, prompts, and techniques so you can apply them later in your own projects. Experiment with AI tools, create something, and build your confidence with every step. Young learners, this is your golden opportunity. Start today, stay consistent, and let AI unlock your creativity, skills, and possibilities. The journey begins with you, and these amazing teachers are here to guide you. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep growing with AI.